Hi, welcome to PeopleTools Tech Tips. I'm Randy Groncki. So, you have a component name. How do you navigate there? Well, in this episode, we're going to find out. Come on, let's go. Find object navigation using enterprise components. Enterprise components have been coming out with a lot of new utilities to help us. So, using a component or page or even a secondary page, we can find out how to navigate into the PeopleSoft system to find these objects.
That's your navigator, enterprise components, find object navigation. Here's an interesting custom component that we have. Where is it? There it is right there. Shows you exactly how to navigate through the navigation tree. What about a more normal one that might have more than one path? It shows you all the different paths.
PeopleSoft navigation is really just entries into PeopleTools tables. So if we have the right SQL and we know how to look into those tables, we can find the navigation to that component or navigations to that component wherever it may be. So let's go take a look.
We have our database window open here, SQL Developer. We're going to paste in our SQL here. Now, you'll notice that this is using connect by path and some other good stuff. What we are not doing here is writing this stuff anew. I found this originally out on a Toolbox posting from 2007. It's not actually out there. I wish I could credit the person who wrote this originally, but I don't know that. So anyway, all we have to do here is place the new component name into this little box right here. And I'll paste that and run that. And we see here is the path to that component. Now, it also works if there's multiple paths. And we have the same three paths as the other one. What's great about this, you can do some manipulating with this SQL and change it the way you want to get the information you want out of it.
Let's just take it one step further. We have a page name. Where is that page in the PeopleSoft system? Well, the navigation is by component, not page. Just have to find out which component this page is in, and then we find the navigation to that component just like we did.
What we need to know about finding things inside of PeopleTools is the PeopleTools tables that control everything. This is the keys to the kingdom inside of PeopleSoft. If you notice, we have PS Panel Group. Well, that's an odd name. Panels, well, these tables go back prior to PeopleSoft being a web package. It was actually a two-tier client-server package, and we didn't have components and pages. We had panels and panel groups, as in panels were pages, panel groups were components. So those tables still hold the information in there. So we want to find out which components a page is in. We're going to look in PS Panel Group, which hold the pages of a component, and we're going to look for this page right here. And we find out that this panel group name is the same thing as the page. Collect that up, and so we know the component here, and then we're going to drop it into our SQL that walks the content refs to find out the navigation to that, and then our navigation to that component page.
Thanks for watching PeopleTools Tech Tips. Links and notes to the code used today are in the details below. If you liked our tips today, please consider subscribing to our channel. All our notes, the SQL, and projects are on PeopleToolsTechTips.com. Like or dislike the video, leave comments below and let us know what you think about the video. We're going to try to bring you more and more tech tips here on this channel and on PeopleToolsTechTips.com to make your life a little easier using PeopleTools. Thank you, and we'll see you here next time for more PeopleTools Tech Tips.